today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. And before I get started, I'm going to talk about this hair that I have in. And I'm going to give a special shout out to DSoar hair. I love this packaging. I love the colors, the purple, the pink, the gold. Beautiful. Then I love the back, how they put hair wash tips and hair care tips. This is the first company to send a box like this, so I love that. So they basically show you how to maintain this hair, how to keep it looking good. And they sent me 4 bundles of Brazilian straight hair. They sent me a 20-inch closure, 22, 24, and 26. So I only needed 3 bundles out of the 4 plus a closure, and I didn't put the closure. I decided to leave my leave out. Love the packaging. Here is their little label. They have a little label on there. DSoar hair, human hair. So beautiful, and it matches my real hair so perfectly. I have the hair in. Beautiful. So the widths on this hair is so thick, it's double width, so it was so easy to sew onto my head. So ladies, make sure you go over to DSoar hair, make sure you shop DSoar hair, make sure you follow them on Instagram, make sure you subscribe to their YouTube channel, and I'm going to add links to this exact Brazilian straight hair down below. Sent me this beautiful closure. I love this. I didn't get it installed because I really want to just let my real hair out, let it breathe. So, but this looks so natural, so realistic, so beautiful. I really love this closure. Beautiful soft hair. Ladies, make sure you shop DSoar hair. Make sure you check out those links down below to get the same exact hair that I have in. Make sure you guys subscribe to their YouTube, follow them on Instagram. Today I'm going to be curling their straight hair. I'm going to see how well their hair takes heat, and I'm going to turn this straight hair into a loose body wave curl with my curling wand. So let's see. I have never did anything to the hair yet. I just got to put in. So let's see. So right now it's straight, and I'm going to add some curls. So let's see. I got my curling wand with me. Here is the first curl of this DSoar hair. Love it. So it took that curl really nice. It's already like nice and bouncy. So I love that. So this is the second curl. And as you can see, I'm having a really easy time just combing through this hair. No shedding. Yes, to this curl, yes. This is definitely like a straight to curly. So let's keep in mind, this hair came straight and long. The hair curled so beautifully. Guys, this is only 3 bundles of the Brazilian straight hair. It's so full. That's all I needed, and I do have some leave out, but it's minimal. Ladies, make sure you go get you some DSoar hair. All I needed was 3 bundles to achieve this very full look. They have so many different textures, different lengths, different colors. They're super affordable. Their hair is for anybody. The hair ships in 1 to 3 days. I got my hair really fast. So make sure you ladies go shop DSoar hair. Really love this. So natural looking.